we are taking our concierge laundry bag from the 1-bedroom suite. Very nice. And you walk on in. We have washer number 3 and Fairytale Fresh Laundry has started. Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and the magic today is the Disney Adventure. And if you'll see behind me, I am at the Fairytale Fresh Laundry, and I wanted to give you a first-hand look at what it looks like if you need to do your laundry here on the Disney Adventure. We actually flew from US to Singapore, so we've been doing a lot of touring, and we are doing a back-to-back cruise, so definitely need to use these facilities. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. Now let's go look at this laundry room. All right. So what we took advantage of is we are taking our concierge laundry bag from the 1-bedroom suite, and we're going to bring our clothes in to wash it. Let's go see Scott. Come on in. Ooh, I love the theming here. Very nice. And you walk on in. So we have a soap center here, and then you just tap your key to the world card to get tied, snuggle, and then you just check in there. And then I love it because it's going to show you on your app. You're going to get a notification when your laundry is done. So pretty cool. And then we have all of these washers and dryers. Pretty large here. Oh, wow. Okay. Ooh, and we have ironing boards. Check that out. Let's keep going down here. Yeah, pretty spiffy. It does remind me of what the Wish class ships look like. So you can wash your hands here. Very good. And then we have these ironing boards that come down along with irons. So very nice. Good morning. Awesome. Oh, and a folding station here so you can fold your laundry. All right. Very good. Lots of guests doing their laundry today. So there it is, guys. Did you get your... All right, let's see what you're gonna do.
Okay, so now this is down here. So take a minute to just put all this in.
Okay, we're gonna put our laundry in and start it up. Okay, we're pouring the Tide in. We're shutting it. All the washers are on the bottom, by the way. And then key to the world card. Gonna tap that there. And it says checking and purchase complete in use. And then on our app, it will show us that we have laundry, and it will send a notification. All right, very good. So we've got our app here. Next, we hit notifications. Then we hit notifications, and then at the very bottom, it's going to tell us that we have washer number 3 and Fairytale Fresh Laundry has started. So very good. Now we can go play. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. It would be my pleasure to serve your family.